Have you recently been tasked with scheduling a course? Are you not quite sure where to begin? Do you need a refresher? If so, this tutorial is for you. Welcome to Scheduling 101. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add and delete a course in the schedule of classes and how to modify an existing course. You will also be guided through scheduling screens within the class scheduling menu display on Oasis. To begin, you will have to log in to Oasis using your name and password. Please note the system will only allow you 3 attempts to do so before it locks you out. After you have logged on to Oasis, you must type SIS into the transaction ID and press Enter. This will direct you to the Student Information Systems on Oasis, which is where the scheduling menus are found and where we will be able to insert our courses. Now to begin, we will add a class. Before you begin, please keep in mind the following points. The course must be active and not discontinued in the course catalog table. You will not be able to add a course if it has been discontinued. To establish a course offering for the term, you will use the CUD screen. Information on sections for a given class is entered on the CM1 and CM2 screens. There are 2 steps on the procedure to add courses. Step 1. Establish the course using the CUD screen and enter all required course information. Step 2. Establish the primary and, if necessary, secondary sections for the classes using the CM1 and CM2 screens and enter all the required information. Please note, for Step 2, it is recommended that you enter the information for the secondary sections. Step 1 of the 2-step procedure on how to add a class to the schedule is to establish a class offering on the schedule. To do so, you must type CUD on Oasis. Please keep in mind, you have already entered the SIS or Student Information Systems portion of Oasis. To establish the course offering for the term, you must first enter the section number for the class on the CUD screen. To begin, access the class user detail screen, also known as the CUD screen. Please note, the required fields are red. Fields you can change are green. You will be required to complete the following sections. Add term, this 18 winter. Add subject area, ANNEA for Ancient Near Eastern. In this section, it is crucial for you to know the subject areas of your given department. If you are unsure, please check the course catalog. Add catalog number, 19. Section 1. The section number identifies the class. For example, you may have more than one course within the same course number, but various section numbers. After you have finished inputting all the relevant information, press F9. After you hit F9, your cursor will move to the Insert Offering field. Here you will type the letter I for Insert to add the course into the schedule. Step 2. Enter the primary and secondary section informations on the CM1 and CM2 screens. Once the class has been established on the CUD screen, section information for all sections, primary and secondary, can be entered on the CM1 and CM2 screens on Oasis. Please note, it is highly recommended that you enter all the information for the primary section before entering the secondary section or sections. If you type CM1 on the CUD screen and press F9, the class will be carried over. Otherwise, a blank CM1 screen will appear, and you will have to enter the term, subject area, course number, and section number for the course you will be adding. In this section, you will have to type in the section number. If you recall, in the previous slide, we created section 1, so we will be creating section 1 for Ancient Near Eastern 19. Once you type section 1, hit F9. Hitting F9 will move your cursor directly to the Add ACT type and last 3 digits of SRS number. The ACT type, also known as the activity type, will be one of the following: LEC for lecture, SEM for seminar, DIS for discussion, or LAB for laboratory. Each course has a 6-digit serial number, or SRS number, already listed in the course catalog. The 3 digits that we will be adding to the 6 digits will make the course unique. The 3 additional digits are added by the department. So, for example, if you have multiple sections of a course, you can number them 101, 102, 103, and so forth. In this step, we will add the ACT type for Ancient Near Eastern 19, Section 1, which is a lecture, so we will type LEC and 200 for this course and press F9. Hitting F9 will ensure that the course is added to the catalog, and now you will be able to add the days, the time, the building location and room, and the instructor, which is done by the instructor's UID. Please note that there are course scheduling time patterns for days and times, and deadlines that must be met for you to schedule courses. We will cover the course time patterns and deadlines towards the end of this tutorial. While on the CM1 screen, you can add the enrollment and waitlist capacity for the course. If you forget to add the capacity, the course will default to 0 enrollment. Within this screen, you will also see section status, projected enrollment number, grade type, special programs, final exam code, previous enrollment number, unit type, units, media equipment, chalkboard requirement, room assignment, and room assignment type. As a scheduler, you will be able to make any changes to the green fields and the green fields only. After you have added all the relevant course information on the CM1 screen, you can now move to the CM2 screen. Within the screen, you will be able to add any enrollment rules or restrictions. The enrollment rule allows the department and the scheduler to restrict the course to students that meet a specific condition in order to enroll. For example, for this course, Ancient Near Eastern 19, we are restricting the course to freshmen only. Within the screen, you can also view if the course requires instructor consent to enroll, or if the course is combined or multiple listed. You have now scheduled your course. You have successfully added all of your rules, course day, time, and location, along with the instructor and additional information. Now we can move on to how to delete a course.